You're gonna love the next presentation. We're gonna go all the way to the Netherlands, a beautiful country where I actually live, and we're gonna give the floor to Hans from IMS, who's gonna tell us exactly this, to how to solve the challenge just proposed by Francois. Hans, goedemiddag. There's no better time to introduce you than this one, right? The floor and the attention of everyone is now yours.
Thank you, Jose. Let me share my screen. I think here it is. You can hear me now?
Yes, loud and clear. And we can see crystal clear too.
Okay, hi to the EPIC community, and thank you, Sana and Jose, for giving me the floor for this couple of minutes. And I already heard a lot of interesting challenges where we think we can serve the market with. My name is Hans Velten. I'm responsible for business development at IMS. It's a beautiful country, a beautiful company in the Netherlands. But what we do, first of all, is we are a machine builder, and we design and build machines, special machines for small and accurate products. This is our business. This is where we're very good at, and we can help the market with this. Next to the core business of assembly lines, we have our own R&D department, which, as we heard already, is very important because there are a lot of new technologies which we can help the market, our customers, with our own R&D for their assembly challenges. To give you an idea about the company, we are here located at the red dot in the Netherlands, and this is the highest place in the Netherlands. So if we have a problem with our dikes, we are still safe here in this area, just to be sure that's okay. We have some 120, 140 people working at our beautiful company, and our sales are growing. Last year, it was between 40 and 50 million euros. And on the right, you can see this is more or less the automotive industry where we deliver our production lines to. So worldwide, from the small country, Netherlands. Of course, the audience wants to know, how do these machines look like? Now, for the technical people amongst us, this is how they look like. And you also see we do not have any standard machines. So especially for the challenges you have in the market you are working in, we develop and build dedicated machines for that, depending on what you want, from manual to semi-automatic to fully automated lines for the products. So what do we put in all these nice high-tech machines? There's a lot of processes, of course, and I'm not going through all of this, but what is most important and where we can help this challenging market of automotive lighting is the highly accurate aligning of optics. And it's all around this high precision. And it gives also the idea of what we are good at. We feel comfortable in the micron area. Let's say between 0.5 and 50 micron. The accuracy of aligning, this is where we as a machine builder feel comfortable in. So the markets we are working in are mainly three. This is medical, this is smart devices, like these things, and of course automotive. And this is what I want to focus in the last couple of slides I want to show you, because there are some nice challenges. Some examples of products, I want to highlight this one. 10 years ago, we started with production lines for these small products. I hope you can see them. These are micro lenses for mobile phones. So your mobile phone is most probably equipped with a lens manufactured on our machines. And from there, we take the experience and transfer that to the automotive market, which you see here on the right, for the newest generation of light modules. And this is a very interesting aspect. You see here some light modules. And you need, for this newest generation of light modules, you need new technology. In general, we split our activity in automotives in active aligning for three kinds of product groups, as well as the other activity within automotive is the lens assembly. Lenses which are needed for cameras, for LiDAR, and for lighting. I leave this aside, this lens assembly. I want to focus on active aligning. And active aligning is really something interesting new, because everybody's talking about new headlamps, real lamps, HD lamps, micro LEDs, up to even 100,000 pixels I just heard, and DMD with the Texas Instruments technology. But if you want to assemble these kind of products, you need a new technology, which is not commonly available up to now in the market of automotive lighting assembly. And this is where we can offer great service to the market. What I say here, the assembly is no longer a poka-yoke assembly, but we need a new technology in this market. And the technology is called active aligning. So to give you an example, here you see the newest generation of headlamps with a micro LED with up to 50,000 pixels on a heatsink, and you see the lens array. This is what Audi, Renault, Volvo, etc. want to apply in their car, but the quality of the projection on the road is also based on the aligning of the lens assembly to the micro LED. This cannot be done with a poka-yoke, but we have to go to active aligning to make that possible. So you see here schematically a heatsink with the micro LED and a lens array, and we, with, for example, hexapods, we manipulate this towards the lens assembly, and in the meanwhile we look at the light which is shone onto a light interpretation box. And through an interactive process, iterative, we manipulate until we have reached the point where the image quality is optimal, and then we fix the glue with the UV curing. For this we have developed a standard concept which we offer now to the market. We can go through manual or semi-automatic or even automated assembly based on this technology. So finally, what we can do, we can take you steps ahead in terms of technology and in terms of cost efficiency for your newest generation of light modules, camera assemblies, side projectors, and the lens assemblies belonging to them. This is my message, and I think we can serve this market very well with our competences. Thank you for listening and watching.